welcome back to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm actually going to be making a family recipe. This is my stepdad's, sounds weird, this is my stepdad's ranch and cottage cheese dip. Don't click out of this, I swear. This is one of those foods that it's like, don't knock it until you try it. It's so good from what I remember it being. And he actually gave me the recipe yesterday and I was like, I have to make this. I have to show everybody. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because throughout this video and all of my videos pretty much, I do a little bit of a process of how the recipe's made, and then at the end of my videos I give a review and a taste test to let you know if they're love at first bite. So if you want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I will get testing. Okay, this is pretty easy. Are you ready? So all I did was took a half of a cup of sour cream and then put it in my bowl. And then after that, I took a half of a cup of cottage cheese and put that into my bowl as well. And then the next step was to get 1 packet of dry ranch mix, put that in my bowl, and then some dill weed because my ranch packet didn't come with it already. And the final step, this is a hard one, is mixing it all together. Okay, it's done. So I'm just gonna do my thing and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. It is just how I remember it. It's like the perfect balance of creamy and tangy, and you don't really taste the cottage cheese, but it adds really, I think, needed texture to this. And I love too that this is like an easy, unexpected thing to make, but it's not with weird ingredients. I mean, I think that this would just be a great thing to bring to any Memorial Day party or any summer barbecues that you've got. It's just like creamy, tangy, dilly, ranchy. It's just like, like everything about this is like so spot on. He did say though that if you can find a packet of ranch dressing mix that has the dill already added into it, that does taste better than adding the dill separately. But dill is dill, it does the job. I really don't even know what to say other than make this and then leave a comment and tell me how much you love it too, because we love it around here. We do. This is a 10 out of 10. Like, this is a, like, go to your pantry and make this. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and trying out this dip recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes tested with this family favorite recipe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.